Hi, I'm Henry Barrett, and I'm applying to be an HXP leader summer 2026.
Because you're there when I awake, and then you give me the lights of day. Because the children with you can play. I think I am